Welcome, this video will be a complete guide to Glyph interface on Nothing Phone 3 Lite smartphone. I want to start this video with one very important notice, is that on this smartphone the Glyph interface is presented with just one tiny dot, this LED indicator in the bottom right corner of your device's back cover, and it will start blinking whenever you receive a notification or a call. So yeah, this Glyph interface is not as customizable as in other Nothing phones, but in order to customize it you have to go to settings. Now in settings you'll be able to change the ringtones and notifications for your Glyph. I will only present how to adjust your ringtones because the notifications are adjusted in the very same way. So go to your ringtones and you can select a ringtone for all contacts, or you can select a custom ringtone for some specific contact on your list by selecting by tapping right here and selecting your contact, and then you'll be able to select either the standard ringtone, one of 10 standard ringtones. Just choose whichever you like the most, and if you want to disable the Glyph blinking, switch this toggle to the right and then tap done when you're done, or you can also select your own sound by going to My Sounds and tapping Add New Sound, and here you can select a media file from your file explorer. Then it will be added right here and you'll be able to use it as your Glyph sound. And if you want to disable the LED blinking, you can also switch this toggle to the right and then tap Save to save this ringtone. As I said, notifications are adjusted in the very same way. And now the next feature I want to show you is the flip to Glyph, which will be available once you switch on this toggle. Let's go to flip to Glyph feature. So basically this feature works in a way that when you enable it, when you flip your phone around, you will only receive silent notifications that just show you your LED blinking without a sound. And if you enable this feature, you will also be able to enable the essential notifications feature, which will only show you or tell you about the essential notifications that you can customize and set up yourself. And to access this kind of notifications, you have to go to Essential Notifications menu and create a new rule by tapping New Rule. Then you can create a rule name, for example, New Message. Now respectively we're gonna have to select an application of messages. We can also select other messengers on your phone, like the Facebook Messenger, or for example WhatsApp, or anything else. Then to customize the kind of notifications that we want to receive from this app, tap the pencil icon next to the application and let's remove background tasks and other notifications, and we'll only leave incoming messages. Tap done. Now let's close this window, and now we can also add some specific contacts from which we want to receive a notification about a message. To do so, tap Add New and then select notifications from your select a contact from your list. And we can also add some keyword to make this notification kind even more specific. So it can be anything like basically it will be the contents of the message. So it can be, for example, hello, or something like this. So this way we'll only receive notifications when we fill up our phone. We'll only receive notifications from the message application that contain hello word in them. Tap Save Rule, and now this essential notification will be enabled, and now whenever we flip our phone around, we'll only receive these kind of notifications. Okay, now also you can adjust the automatic turn off for your Glyph. To do so, adjust your bedtime schedule. First of all, enable it, and then start the end. Select the start time and the end time of when your Glyph will not be active, and therefore you will receive no notifications at this time. You can also select the days of the week when you don't want to receive notifications during this time. So for example, let's select Sunday and Saturday from 4 a.m. and to 8 a.m. next day. And if you want to enable or disable your Glyph interface easily, let's go to our lock screen. Hold your finger on it for a couple of seconds, then select Customize Lock Screen, enter your password, and then on your widgets menu, tap on your widgets menu, scroll down to Quick Settings and open this widget. Then select your widget size, for example 1 by 1, and now let's select Glyphs. Okay, now let's lock our screen. And now whenever this widget is colored red, our Glyph interface will be active, and we will be receiving Glyph notifications. If you turn it off, you'll receive no Glyph notifications. And that's basically it. That's everything I could have told you about, I think. If you have something else to add, you're highly welcome to do so in the comments below. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.